Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can fix the Instagram music no result found error in your Instagram application. So you have an Instagram account that you use to create posts and stories for your Instagram. You are connected to your friends and families using this Instagram account, and you are looking for some music to add into your post or story, but it shows no result found error in your Instagram, and you want to fix this error but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you few steps in order to fix this error in the Instagram application. There are three main ways to fix this error. The first way is to update your Instagram application. So to upgrade your Instagram application, what you want to do is open a Play Store. In Play Store, search Instagram. Once you search Instagram, here you can see my app is up to date. If your app is not up to date, here you'll see an option labeled as update. Tap on that and update the app. Then check if the error is fixed or not. If your error is still not fixed, what you want to do is open your settings. Once you go to your device setting, what you want to do is go into apps and notifications. It might be labeled apps or applications in other devices accordingly. Then what you want to do is tap on see all apps option. Then look for Instagram. Once you locate the Instagram application, open the settings. Once you open the application settings, you land on an application info section. Here, what you want to do is go into permissions. If any of the permissions is denied, allow it. You need to allow all the permissions in order to do this process. Once you allow all the permissions, go back to your Instagram, then check for the error again. If it's still not fixed, what you want to do is uninstall and reinstall your Instagram application. So to uninstall and reinstall your Instagram application, go to your Play Store, search Instagram, then tap on Instagram and come here. So uninstall the application by tapping on the uninstall button. Then install the application again, log in and check for the error. Now the music result not found error must be fixed. These were the three simple steps in order to fix the Instagram music no result found error in your Instagram application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.